This weekend is Brackeys Game Jam, which is a game jam where you have to make a game in 7 days based on a given theme. As usual with Brackeys Game Jam, the theme was questionable. Let there be chaos. That's not like literally every game I've ever played in the history of games, but even with such a broad theme I'm gonna be struggling a lot to find an idea, and after 2 hours of not coming up with anything, so I'm just gonna go to sleep and hopefully get going with something tomorrow. This day I said, my partner, to think something because he is not dumb like me. After another half hour, we thought to create an FPS game where the objective is only one, that is destroy everything. This sounds easy, but this is not easy, okay, so don't judge me. Then I made a Trello list to keep track of everything that I have to do. Once that was done, I imported some assets and got to work first. We make some maps, but I said easily, but it was too much hard, that it takes us 3 days. I created a player movement, and my partner created shooting mechanic, and he also imports some assets from the asset store. This day my partner and I start working on the animation that will play when the trigger happens on the level ends. This day we added barrels with particle effects, and grenades that can be thrown, and the player can control time by pressing number keys on their keyboard. That's how this day passes. And this day we add the main menu, credits, help, etc. with animation, as you can see. This is the last day, that's why I added some polish and submitted the game half hour before the deadline. Then I realized that I forgot to add a trigger that plays an animation. That's how one entire day waste. The Brackeys Game Jam rating is now started, so go rate my game using the link in the description. I am over a bit more than I could chew, but luckily I was able to finish everything in time, or most of it. The biggest problems is that I didn't have time to play test the game, so it's just kind of luck that it works alright, and it's sort of fun to play. Next time I will definitely not try to make such a big project with so limited time, especially when I have no idea how to implement any of it. But either way, it was a fun experience, and I learned a lot of things. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash like and subscribe, and if you didn't, make sure to smash dislike. As always, you're all amazing. That's gonna be it for me though. See you in the next one. Bye.